Hey everybody, my name is Dan C. Bearded, and today I'm coming to you from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel, and this is the location where you'll hear me say things like, hey, real quick, hit the thumbs up, the like button for real right now. But on a serious note, you'll hear me on this channel talk about their products and how much I love them. Talk about their business and how I just really appreciate the way that they are going about it in a professional way, in an eco-friendly way, and I could go on and on and on, but I want to flip it today, and I want to go over 3 oils that you should avoid in beard products, specifically topically applied left-on beard products after the shower experience. So I'm talking beard oil, beard balm, beard butter. I'm not talking about beard wash and other water-based products because that's a whole chemistry project and understanding, just a different world. We're talking like beard oil. 3 oils you should avoid, and I will explain them. Number 1, mineral oil or any kind of petroleum product in those. I just don't think it's necessary. If something has mineral oil and you put it on your skin or your beard, is your beard gonna burn off and disintegrate and give you a big rash? Probably not. But I do know that it's not gonna be super beneficial for the skin or the hair. I do know personally in my experience and in my research that using it isn't going to be adding a whole lot to you. It could be detrimental, could slow down your health, it could slow down the growth of the beard. There's a lot that goes into it, but there's just better options out there. There's just no need to use petroleum-based products. There's no need to use something that is a byproduct of the oil making process, right? Kind of the easiest way to think about it. So I would avoid mineral oil when possible. Some common locations outside of beard products where I see it that just breaks my heart. If you look at a lot of the on-the-shelf baby products like baby wash, baby shampoo, those kind of things, they do oftentimes have those petroleum mineral products, and it's just not needed. I would look elsewhere than those. Number 2 is very similar, and that would be soybean oil. Now, soybean oil is not the worst thing in the world. It's not exactly created in a lab, it is natural, but it's just not great. There's kind of conflicting thoughts and reports out there on how it affects men and estrogen levels, and I can't really comment on that because I don't have any hardcore evidence, but there are worries. And then when we break it down onto the health of the skin, onto the health of the hair, and you look at a soybean oil compared to really any other oils out there, there's just not a need for. I just don't understand why you would ever choose that in a carrier blend. It's not like it's so much vastly cheaper than some other good quality options out there. It's just not gonna help your beard, especially for the men. And then number 3, may not exactly be an oil, but it's often listed on beard oils. It's often the first, second, and third ingredient on beard oils, and that would be silicones. Now, silicones, if you're not familiar, are stuff that goes on the hair and it just seals and coats the hair, but never absorbs in at all. It's just gonna lock onto it, and when you do that, you don't allow the beard to go through its natural process of detoxing, of breathing, of just simply living its beard life. You're gonna suffocate it. If you get it down to the pores, chances are that your pores are gonna get clogged, and if you start using it, your hair gets used to it, and it will look okay, it'll look kind of shiny and glimmery, but if you try not to use it, then your beard is gonna rebel. It's just not something you want to get into, and this is the one I feel the strongest about, right? The other ones I'm like, you hate to see it, but okay. On silicone, it just hurts the soul when you talk about stuff in beard oil, beard balm, and beard butter. Just simply not gonna help your beard health, styling, feel in any way, shape, or form. I would avoid all 3 of those: mineral oil, soybean oil, and silicones. Now, this is a really good video to open up the questions. Do you guys have any questions on ingredients you notice out there and you're like, ooh, should I be worried about this one? Do you have favorite ingredients that you want to share? I know Volt would love to hear those down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you do go back and check out their other videos. As always, check out the other content creators and go browse their website, see what they have new. There's a lot of amazing stuff. Thank you guys. Dan C. Bearded one more time. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day.